Do you have a lot of acne on your face? Do you feel bad about yourself when you look in the mirror? Have you tried many things but nothing is working? In today's video, I'll show you a simple but effective routine to reduce acne in just 15 days. Make sure to watch till the end because there's an important tip at the end. First, let's understand one thing. Why does acne happen? Generally, acne occurs due to three main reasons: excess oil, dirt or bacteria on the skin, and hormonal changes. But what do we usually do? We wash our face too often, use the wrong creams, and squeeze pimples. These things don't reduce acne. In fact, they make it worse. Now let's start the 15-day plan. The first 5 days, this is the control phase. During this time, you need to keep your skin clean and under control. Wash your face only twice a day, morning and night. Not more than that, otherwise your skin may become dry. You can also gently massage your face with ice for 1 to 2 minutes daily. This helps reduce inflammation. And most importantly, drink at least 3 liters of water every day. When your body is clean from the inside, your skin improves as well. During these 5 days, try to avoid oily food, fast food, and too much sugar, because these can increase acne. Days 6 to 10, this is the treatment phase. At this stage, you can use aloe vera gel at night. It helps soothe the skin and dry out acne. You can also use a neem and turmeric face pack twice a week. Apply it for 10 minutes, then wash it off. Another very important thing, keep your pillow cover clean. Bacteria often spread from there. And remember one thing, never squeeze your pimples. It can cause scars and increase infection. Days 11 to 15, this is the clear skin phase. Now your goal is to reduce marks and maintain healthy skin. Use sunscreen during the day if you go outside. Otherwise, acne marks can become darker. You can also use a vitamin C serum if you want. It helps brighten the skin. And getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very important. Without proper sleep, acne doesn't go away easily. Now let me tell you the most important thing. Stress is a major cause of acne, so try to stay relaxed and avoid too much tension. If your mind is calm, your skin will also improve. This was the complete 15-day acne reduction routine. If you follow it properly, you will see good results. Let me know in the comments, how long have you been dealing with acne? And for more helpful videos like this, make sure to subscribe.